What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a slime review video. So let's get right on to this video. And the first slime I have is not that good because I used eyeshadow to make this slime. It's a pigment slime. It's rose gold. A little bit of rose gold. I don't know if you can see the rose gold of it, but it's rose gold. It's not that good. It feels like a store-bought slime. And yeah. Do ASMR. Oh my goodness. How does that camera do this? Okay, let's just show it. That lighting is very bad. It's really bad. It's not even that light in here. I don't know how to fix it, guys. But I'll just get close. And here it is. It's not that good at all. Why is that lighting so bad? Oh my goodness. There. That's a little bit better light. I don't know. Let's turn it this way a little bit. Maybe that would help. No, that made it worse. Why exactly? Oh my god. 1 second, guys. I just turned it on. It's still pretty light, but that's a lot better. Okay, so let's go and let's go get one. It does look very nice. We have a good So next, I got this glossy orange one. It's made with baby powder. I know it looks yellow in the camera, but it's actually orange. It's just the light. I don't know what's going on, but the lighting is super bad in here. I guess it's a little bit. Look, I have my ring light over here. It's probably too bright. I have to turn it off, but I think it's fun right now. Here's this orange one. I really like it. Let's get on to the store. I gotta go fast. Here's this pink one with beads in it. Boom. Now we have to go to the next one because I'm running out of time. Next I have this floam, this pink floam. It's a little bit of a light. I don't know if you can see. I might have to turn my ring light off. I'm just sitting. Is that better? I don't know that. It's very weird. But I really like this song. I don't know if you can see it well. Because nothing is helping what I'm saying. Nothing is helping. Let's move on to the next one. This one is a green slime. This was a slime smoothie. Go watch that video out. It's really good. I really like this, but it is a little sticky. And it has purple grapes in it. The next one. go to this one. This was my ultimate favorite. This one is my maroon. My maroon. It looks like a pink, but it's actually my maroon. So I got a baby powder too, and it's so soft with baby powder. So I do recommend getting baby powder with your slime. Now let's go to the next one. Got a little bit more. This is my first maroon that has foam beads in it. This one doesn't have baby powder in it. It's still super good. Let's go to the next one. Oh, I just recognized that I wasn't cooking it. Now we gotta go to the next. That was the container. Now let's go to the next one. This one is my flower slime. It's a teal foam slime with pink and purple flowers in it. Pink and purple charms in it. And it is so good. Here, I'll try to find you a flower, guys. Here are flowers. It's the pink one. Really good. Let's go to the next one. This one is called my peanut butter slime. It looks exactly like peanut butter, and it looks exactly like peanut butter, but it doesn't look like peanut butter on the camera. So let's go to the next one. I know I'm making this video very fast. Here is a yellow butter slime. It's the only yellow I have, with the beads in it, rainbow beads. Let's go to the next one. Last one, guys. This is my New Year's slime. It's really good. It's a little bit sticky, honestly, the truth. It is a little bit sticky. Okay, guys,